what are you doing? The
Hello,
boss
boys.
is here. The boss
How
is
was
here.
the game last night? Good.
Simple one, actually. Did you see?
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
The boss is here.
Nice, bro.
Boss.
Have you finished the work?
Yes, boss, we finished it.
Are you sure?
Sure. Next day. This is the next day. Oh, our boss has to choose a person to take his place. Who is he going to choose? I think one of us, right? Yeah. Yeah, because we weren't the only one who worked.
No, actually, we are better.
Why are you better?
We are just better.
Oh no, the boss.
I need someone to take my place.
Yeah.
Take
I
us.
think we should.
Shoo.
No.
Shoo. Shoo. You. Take my place.
This is not fair.
You are strong.
We worked so hard. Why did you choose him?
Shut up, boy.
Let's go, girls. Yeah. That's it. Oh no, we have another more thing.
As you can see, even if it's just to play, situations like this happen in real life, and it's way too often. And it's not normal. We should not act like it's normal. We should not normalize it. And we should support and encourage each other and encourage equality and equal opportunities for everybody. And just support both genders, not limit anybody to whatever their gender is. Boys can play gymnastics, girls can play football, and we're all equal. Thank you.